Say goodbye to nicks, cuts, and multiple grooming tools, and hello to the Philips Norelco OneBlade360 hybrid trimmer and shaver. Whether it's your beard, sideburns, mustache, or body hair, this all-in-one grooming solution has you covered. This is the OneBlade360 with connectivity, the ultimate face and body groomer by Philips Norelco, built with next-gen technology to match your busy lifestyle. What makes this trimmer different? It's all in the OneBlade technology, a fast-moving cutter running at 12,000 times per minute, plus a dual protection system that gives you a smooth shave without irritation, even on longer hairs. The innovative 360 blade flexes in all directions, maintaining constant skin contact. So trimming under the jawline or around the nose? No problem. Want that perfect stubble? The 5-in-1 adjustable comb lets you style anywhere from 1 to 5 mm with total precision. Taking care of body hair? Use the click-on body comb or the skin guard for sensitive areas. You can trim in any direction, yes, even in the shower, because it's fully waterproof. Sync it with the Philips OneBlade app for smart reminders on when to change blades, charge the battery, and get personalized tips tailored to your grooming habits. Here's everything you get with the OneBlade360 package. OneBlade360 Hybrid Groomer. 360 blade for face. 5-in-1 adjustable comb. Body kit, skin guard and extra body blade. Travel case. USB-A charging cable. Whether you're going for a clean shave, stylish stubble, or a full grooming routine from head to toe, the Philips Norelco OneBlade360 is the only tool you need. Whether you're going for a clean shave, stylish stubble, or a full grooming routine from head to toe, the Philips Norelco OneBlade360 is the only tool you need.